Northeastern Union County, Illinois, Williamson County, Illinois, until 2:15 p.m. At 8:16 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Marion, Heron, Carterville, Johnston City, Craneville, Cambria, Energy, Pittsburgh, Freeman Spurs, Williamson County Regional Airport, Whittyish, Colt and Spillertown. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Union and Williamson.